I am doing a soil biology primer later this week. I hope that you join us. And I have a whole series called Discover Soil Microscopy that I want to share with you. We're gonna have live webinars, but also replays. So you can't join us live, you can join us on the replay. It's gonna be amazing. We're gonna cover who's who of biology, which microscope to choose, the good and the bad, looking at them so that you can really see how easy this is to compare, how easy this is to just immediately know when under the microscope very quickly what kind of soil you're dealing with. So join us in Discover Soil Microscopy. I'm Matt Powers. I'll be your host. I'll be guiding you through this journey together. This is exclusive. It's not anywhere else. I've never shared this information before, so you don't want to miss it. Thank you so much for being part of my community. I'm Matt Powers. Grow abundantly, learn daily, and live regeneratively. I'll see you inside. Click the link.